everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel Organizopedia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have organized my son's closet. Like I already have a video on how to organize kids' closet. If you're interested, I'm going to provide link in the I button and in the description box as well. So please go and check it out. Like my son is now 24 months old, all of his clothing size and his daily basis needs have changed, so I have to change his closet as well. And now it's winter, so I have organized all of his winter stuff in his closet. So this video is about like how to organize all the winter stuff of your baby in the closet. So without any further ado, let's get into the video now.
So it's an overview of his closet, like how his closet actually looks. So this is the first shelf in his closet where I like to keep all of our like traveling bags and his diaper bags. So it's a middle section of his closet where I have got this hanging rod. And if I will talk about this particular section, here you all can see I have used hangers to hang all of his clothes. It's basically DIY clothes divider. I have labeled it in different clothes like sweatshirt, jacket, shirts, etc. If in case I'm out of station, somebody else in the family can properly organize and hang all of his clothes in its position. At the other side of this hanging rod, I have used this cube divider. So here in the first section, I have kept all of his towels and burp clothes and I have nicely labeled it. So I didn't get it laminated, it's just a plastic sheet of an old visiting card. I just cut that plastic sheet out from the visiting card book and then I have labeled it. So in the next shelf, I kept all of his woolen caps. In the third, I kept all of his daily wearing sweaters. And in the last, I kept all of his woolen pajamas and have nicely labeled all of them. So in the middle section only, I have got the space where I have used all these baskets to organize his stuff. So this is the first one. This is a drawer divider where I have kept all of his socks. Just next to it, I have got this white basket where I have organized all of his hankies, and in this basket, I kept all of his innerwears. So in this particular section, I have used all these baskets to organize his stuff. So in the first one, here you can see I kept all of his woolen inners. Just next to it, I have used this particular basket to organize all of his bungees and jumpers. I fold them and kept them in the file system just to maximize the space. Here I kept all of his full t-shirts, and in this basket, I kept all of his pants and jeans. So in this almirah, I have got this drawer as well where you can see I have nicely labeled it medical papers. Here I kept all of his prescriptions, his vaccination records, everything in this particular drawer. So here comes the last shelf of his almirah where again I have used these baskets to organize his stuff. In this basket, I kept all the clothes which are new and the party wear which I don't use that often. Here I kept all of his pajamas and night suits. So in this basket, here are all of his nightwears, and in this basket, as I told you, I kept all the new clothes and his partywear clothes. And behind this basket, I have this extra space where I kept all these extra hangers. So I didn't get the lid of this particular basket, that is why I have used other baskets lid so that I can keep them one over other and to maximize this particular space. In this particular basket, I kept all of his hoodies and jackets. Whenever I'm going for the park, I just grab a hoodie, make him wear, and then I can go. Here I kept all of his pillows, and in this particular basket, I kept all of his diapers. So here I have got a nice handles. I can very easily take this basket out. I have this particular space left at the back, so I kept new diapers here. So this is the thing earlier I was talking about. I have used old visiting cards holder. With the help of scissor, I cut these plastic sheets from the visiting card holder. I have used my old visiting cards. I labeled them at the back and then I inserted it back in this plastic holder. So the good thing about this is that whenever you want to change the labeling, you just change the visiting card, not the holder. Take the new visiting card, just put a new label and then put it back. So at the same time, it's getting laminated also, so that whenever your kids are handling these baskets, it's not getting torn. So these are the door of its Almera, where I have used this vacuum command hook. They are not these sticky command hooks. Where I have hanged this bag, if in case I'm going somewhere, I can just simply grab this bag. I can keep all of its stuff in this particular bag. These are the sticky command hook, where I kept all of his caps, bells, etc. And you can see it can very nicely close as well. This door also. So at last, behind this hanging cube organizer, I have got this space where I kept this basket. So here it's the glass jar where I kept these open soap just to give a nice fragrance in his closet, and some extra supplies like his talcum powder, his shower gel, swimming goggles, etc. And here I kept them nicely behind the hanging cube organizer, and the socks as well.
So this is how I have organized his closet. I really hope you guys liked it. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel for more such future videos and hit that like button. I will see you in my next one. Till then, be organized and bye bye.